This is my detoxifying pumpkin spice latte. If you have been to any of the big chain coffee shops lately, you've seen pumpkin spice lattes everywhere, right? While they can be tasty, it's scary how many calories and how much sugar are in each of the drinks. So a 16-ounce grande, you're talking about 390 calories, 52 carbs, of which 50 are actually sugars. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make that similar recipe, but in a really healthy and very tasty way. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the coffee. And I have put together a French press here. I think it's just about ready. Press that down. You can make your coffee as thick or thin as you'd like. I am kind of a coffee freak and I love my coffee, so this is gonna be nice and thick. Today I'm using my Ninja blender to put this latte together. And so you're gonna start off with a cup of coffee. So I'm gonna gently pour that in. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, you know what? I need to rotate. There we go. That will pour a lot better. So I'm gonna put in 8 ounces of my literally fresh brewed coffee. I'm gonna add to this my protein. So I've got my Beverly International Collagen Peptides, and I'm gonna do a single scoop of collagen peptides. So a nice level scoop that, check this out, dissolves like immediately upon contact. That's a quality collagen peptide right there. And in addition, I'm gonna take my Ultimate Muscle Protein. Okay, for this recipe, I'm gonna use a tablespoon of Ultimate Muscle Protein. So a nice level tablespoon, and pop that in. I love that that gives it just a little extra sweetness. You don't even need any sugar because it tastes so good like this. I am using 1 tablespoon of organic flaxseed. So pop that in as well. A 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. And then almond milk. I like to make sure that I'm using the variety that has 30 calories. So unsweetened almond milk, 30 calories with 8 ounces. So I'm gonna use a 1/2 cup of almond milk. And pour that baby in. Sweet. Okay. So I'm gonna take all of this together. A little dash of cinnamon. And I'm gonna blend all of it together in my Ninja. This baby's a little loud, so. Okay, all the way blended. It really only took maybe 15-20 seconds. Steamy. And pour that in. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. Nice and thick. So there you have it. This is my detoxifying pumpkin spice latte. Okay, a little sprinkle of cinnamon. From here, I would pop it in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds or so just to heat it up a little bit. But you have, instead of 390 calories, this is 150 calories with 17 grams of protein and only 8 carbs, I believe, which 5 are fiber. So they're awesome carbs. But yeah, you have this delightful fall treat, totally healthy, and a great way to start your morning. So enjoy your pumpkin spice latte in a healthy way. Head on over to FITBODY.com to get my favorite supplements like my collagen peptides and Ultimate Muscle Protein. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit like on this video, and I will be back soon with more helpful recipes and fitness tips and tricks.